Hey guys, AJ here from Just Teaching Stuff. Guys, I want to show you probably the best platform to create seamless patterns really quickly. Now, I do have a whole playlist of using Kittl. Kittl is my go-to design platform and editor. And I got a whole playlist for creating many different types of designs. So do check out the playlist. And you can also get free access to Kittl as well below. But let's get into this because it really is so simple, so easy to do. And I'm going to get I want to show you exactly how it's done. So look, Kittl is a fantastic platform. Just show you very quickly where you can create fantastically trending designs for many different products, from wall arts to digital paper, and it has these amazing trending designs as well. So it's not just seamless paper, seamless patterns that you can create. You can create many things. It should be your go-to design platform. So it's absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend it. But without further ado, let's get into this. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to new project. So click new project. The first thing we're actually going to do is we're going to go to the artboard size, which is the size of the page that we're going to be using. Now, obviously you can put any size you want. What's fantastic about this, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to keep it at this. You can use different units, inches, pixels, millimeters, but I'm going to keep it like a square artboard size, 1200 by 1200. But like I said, you can put any size that you actually want. I want to make sure that the resolution is really good at 300, which is the standard resolution, and then click create. Okay, and that's going to give me my artboard, which I'm going to create the design on. Now, this is what you get with Kittl. You've got various things going on. You've got the artboard, which you can zoom in and out of. You've got all these tools on the side, which are really fantastic. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to create prompts to create a seamless pattern, a repeating pattern quite quickly. So if I go to the last tool at the bottom, which is called Kittl Ai, and I'm going to click that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a image, generate a image for the seamless pattern. So I'm going to click the top one here. And then it gives you a box to write your prompt in. And a prompt is a series of words where you can actually write exactly what you want to produce as a design. So for this one, I'm going to say I would like to create a seamless floral. I want to say floral. Floral is quite popular for seamless patterns. Floral, vintage, pattern, right? Repeating. When I add in these keywords, really important to add in the right keywords for your seamless pattern so that you're able to produce the right designs that is actually seamless. And that's the key to this. So if I said seamless floral, vintage, pattern, repeating, and then I can add other bits. You can add more elements to it. You can add the kind of flowers maybe that you want on there. And it doesn't have to be floral. Like I said, it could be any seamless pattern that you would like to create, as long as you include the right words in the prompt. And remember, if it doesn't work out or doesn't look right, then you can always check it as well. Like, just make sure you redo the prompts and do them again, write it up again, which is definitely something you can do quite easily. But just to give you an idea about the speed of this, I've just done a few words really, and then I'm going to click generate, right? So you can always go back and then include more words or change it up or do something completely different. Okay, so I've got this, right? This design. Now the thing is with this is black and white, and I actually wanted a color. So what I forgot to do is, let me just get rid of that, delete that for a minute. I've forgotten to go to the style. So look, if I show you this on the side here and I go to show all, it actually gives you different image styles that you can actually create it around. So, you can see this is a digital art style. This is a photography style. Over here, you can see oil painting style. You can see psychedelic, retro, and then you got even the clip art style. So you can use, you got kawaii icon style, cartoon style, that watercolor style, You know, there's so many styles that you can base that design around, which really does make a difference. And this is what I really like about Kittl. You can actually just at a click of a button do this. You've got these vector styles also, so you can do really cool vectors, SVGs. And like I said, with SVGs, this, you know, Kittl produces really true SVGs, if you like, you know. But in this case, I might just click on watercolor and just see what that gives me. Click on this one, which is the watercolor style. So I've got my prompt at the top. Like I said, a simple prompt, and I'm going to click generate now. So click that. Okay, so it's produced for me that really cool design style right now, which is really, really nice, actually. I really like it. But obviously, you know, the main thing we need to check for is that it's seamless. And I really definitely, you know, urge everybody, when you do produce something, double check. You know, sometimes things can happen when you do your prompts, but I always say double check and make sure it actually is. Don't just download it and just think, yeah, everything is absolutely cool. Check it always. Okay, so it's produced for me that really cool design style right now, which is really, really nice, actually. I really like it. But obviously, you know, the main thing we need to check for is that it's seamless. And I really definitely, you know, urge everybody, when you do produce something, double check. You know, sometimes things can happen when you do your prompts, but I always say double check and make sure it actually is. Don't just download it and just think, yeah, everything is absolutely cool. Check it always. So how I like to check it, I like to check it a few different ways, right? 2 ways. So I do like a manual check. Okay, so as you got your design, once you produce your design, guys, just zoom in, have a look at it, right? Really nice. But as you zoom in really, really close, you can see that it's a little bit blurry. So I always like to make sure that the quality is really good. So I go and optimize it. So let me just optimize that really quickly. Like I said, it's quite blurry right now. But I'm gonna use a tool that is fantastic using Kittl. So if I click on the image, on the side, these other tools are really fantastic. You can do many things here. You can actually add shadows, photo filter. You can remove the background quite easily using this AI background remover. You can do the image vectorizing. But in this case, what we need is something called the AI image upscaler, where it's going to really, really improve that quality of that design so that the customer is really happy with it, really going to enhance it. So we just click the button. There's nothing more we need to do, and we just let that magic happen, really, really quickly. So look at this, absolutely fantastic. Look at that quality. It really has enhanced that image, really vibrant. Look at the leaves now. They're so nice. Look at the flowers. Look at that quality, guys. Amazing. And this is what I love about Kittl. It can really make sure that you produce professional quality designs. And so once we've kind of enhanced it, we've upscaled it, we definitely need to do a quick check on it just to make sure that it's a repeating pattern. So what I did with the design, I just stretched it out to the artboard, and the manual way of checking I like to do first is I'll just right click and click copy, and then right click on the side and put paste, which means that I'm creating another design. I just want to see if it kind of, using my eye, matches up. That's a very good sign. Looks very, very good. Look at that. It looks like it's going to be fine, but I always like to do the science also and make sure that it definitely does match up, as in perfectly. Just before I actually go to the checker, let me just download it first. So all you need to do is go at the top here, click download, and then you've got a few options. So obviously you've got file type. You can choose what file you want to download it for. I like to choose PNG for this. And then obviously you've got various other things. Make sure the height is right. Make sure the resolution is at, I like to make sure it's at 300. It's like fully optimized. And then you've got removing background if you want, or optimizing quality. I don't need to remove the background, but I will click optimize quality and then just simply click download. So then what we do is we jump onto my seamless pattern checker. Now remember, there's lots of websites on it, so there's no specific website to actually check when. There's loads out there. I'm just going to go to one of them. So have a look at this. Know that we're on the Seamless Pattern Checker. Like I said, you can choose as many websites on the internet where you can just check this. I just typed in Seamless Pattern Checker quite simply. And then all I need to do is get my downloaded image, go to choose file. And I've got my image here. And then click open, right? So what it's done is opened it out, and initially it looks fantastic, looks really, really good. I just like to make sure that I zoom in, make sure there's no sort of any lines there. And you can see, look at that, it's absolutely fantastic. Seamless design, matching up really well, so that I know scientifically that if I was to sell this, it will actually work and it'll be fantastic, and it'll have a really great vintage floral style design that people will absolutely love. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, guys. So do check out Kittl. You got free access below. It's absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend it. And if you do love videos like this, do check out my playlist also, so you can get more ideas on how to use Kittl too. But guys, if you loved this video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care, mate. Take care.